Boredom can be frustrating, and when you feel too bored, negative thoughts can lead to anxiety. Experts say that being idle and constantly feeling bored can lead to anxiety. They also say that if you often feel bored, it means you're not a productive person. Today, many people have become so addicted to the virtual world and the internet that they can't even separate from their phones for a minute. This addiction to the digital world can affect our mental well-being. However, regardless of one's addiction, it's necessary to put the phone aside while sleeping. What would happen if they do something that this phone is in front of our eyes while sleeping? And yes, ladies and gentlemen, Apple Vision Pro. When you look at it from a distance, you think it's a ski goggles, which appears to be a highly sophisticated computer cleverly disguised as glasses. These glasses have several unique features that greatly enhance their functionality. While such technology seems fascinating, it also raises concerns about privacy and the potential consequences of wearing such a device. The ability of these glasses to scan the user's eyes, facial expressions, and even physiological indicators raises privacy and ethical concerns. The information gathered is stored in the archives of Apple's computers, which are valuable and should not be easily accessible to anyone. Additionally, these glasses are designed to detect and interpret the user's interests and reactions to specific content watched on platforms like Instagram. While the prospect of experiencing thrilling adventures and dopamine-inducing activities with these glasses seems alluring, it also raises concerns about addiction and the blurring of the line between reality and the artificial experiences. What do you think will happen in the future? Please share your thoughts, and I'd appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel.